One thing that the Community Works Institute here has taught me, or working with K through 12, particularly educators that are in a different sphere or a different arena than I am, is thinking about the connectivity that I could have with my students working with high school students, right? So one of the, as I mentioned in Bowling Green, we worked directly with community members, but I didn't even think to engage the local educators. That's something that's really sort of been put on my radar through working here this week, and also hearing some of the innovative ideas that folks have about about working with universities. So some of the presentations have dealt with, how can we tap the university, if there is one in our town, as a resource? And it seems to me that there is really a disconnect still between between K through 12 and universities in a lot of places, even where I work in Bowling Green. So I think maybe making those connections has been one thing I've gotten out of our week's work so far.